In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company's organizational information and invoice template in Zoho Books. This process is essential for ensuring all your business documentation accurately reflects your current company details. And I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen for the settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. You will see several options displayed, and you want to direct your attention to the Organization section. Under this, you'll find an option labeled Profile. Click on Profile to proceed. Now, you're on the Organization Profile page. Here, you will notice a section titled Basic Details. This is where you can update fundamental information about your company, such as its name and other essential identifiers. If your organization name is incorrect or has changed, this is where you'll enter the correct name in the Organization Name field. It's important to double-check the spelling and details here to ensure everything is spot on. After updating your organization's name, take a moment to address any mandatory fields that are indicated by an asterisk. These fields are crucial for compliance and ensuring the information on your documents is comprehensive. Once you've filled out all these required fields, don't forget the final step here, clicking Save. This will ensure all your changes are recorded and up to date. With your organization profile updated, we will now focus on customizing your invoice template. To do this, go back to the Settings menu. This time, click on Templates. This section allows you to manage all the documents that are generated through Zoho Books, like invoices, quotes, and other customer-facing communications. Within the Templates section, look for the Invoices tab. Clicking on this tab will present you with a list of invoice templates. Identify the template you'd like to customize and click on Edit next to it. This brings you to an editor where you can personalize the template according to your needs. One of the main areas to be attentive to is making sure your company name and address on the template are exactly as you want them to appear on the invoice PDFs. Pay close attention to the formatting and accurate inclusion of details here, as these invoices serve as a formal communication between you and your clients. By following these steps, your organization's details and document templates in Zoho Books should now be fully updated and reflect the most current information. This not only streamlines your business processes, but also maintains a professional image for all your business dealings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.